Welcome this video title Transforming Your Space with a Stream Wall Waterfall Installing Introducing Add a touch of tranquility and elegance to your living or work space can be achieved through various means and one unique and captain other is a wall waterfall installing waterfall bring natural indoor create slow atmosphere that can enhance the aesthetic and ambience of an environment. The aesthetic appear a waterfall installing survey as a strong focal point instead drawing attack and create a scene of suffocations. The water create a meaning various display transforming and ordering wall into the demon work of art whether piece in a home often or even a comrade space a well waterfall capital with beauty and become a conversation prize that last leave a last impression customization other one of the most effective appear aspect of wall waterfall installing is those wasting and customization othering that installing can